Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. Today we're going to make some Eccles cakes, but first a cup of tea. Let's begin. So recently I seem to be doing these recipes which require pastries. So yet again we're doing another pastry. So for the pastry you shall need 350 grams of plain flour, juice of half a lemon, a block of cold butter. I've got the actual butter I'm going to use in the fridge at the moment. It should be unsalted as well. And for the filling you'll need another 25 grams of butter, so make sure you have a block and a bit. You'll need 200 grams of currants, 50 grams of mixed chopped peel, so something like this. So this has orange, mostly orange peel in it, and some lemon peel, as you can see from there. 100 grams of muscovado sugar. You'll need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of ground mixed spice. And you'll need the zest of a lemon. So it might be worth doing the zest of a lemon first before juicing it, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll zest it, juice it, and then, yeah. Let's zest this lemon. Thank you, phone. Right, now the zest of an orange. Right, we've both lemon and orange zested. I'm going to reserve this for later. Right, we're now going to juice half a lemon. 350 grams of flour. Right, we're now going to add the lemon juice. Right, now with your block of butter, right, we're going to try and cube this. Right, add your cubed butter. We are going to try and do the dough so we've got some big bits of butter in it, but yes, I don't know how this is going to go. So I've seen some TV programs where people use food processors or blenders. I've only got a really tiny blender. It's not gonna work for this. I probably should have got a bigger. Yeah, I should have got a bigger bowl because it's going over the side again. I never learn, do I? So it is starting to come together, but yeah, I just hope it's going to be the right consistency. So I'm going to just start it seems to be best if I start squishing it, so I'm just going to continue squishing. Oh, in actual fact what we're doing is we are ejecting most of the dough from the bowl. Right, to me the dough seems a bit too dry, so what I'm going to do is I've juiced the other half of the lemon and I've added it. There's absolutely no way I'm going to be able to roll that out otherwise. And now, is that now too wet? Okay, right, I'm happy with that. So it's sticky. I don't want to I've handled it far too much as it is. So you're supposed to be able to see flecks of butter, and I can't see any flecks of butter at all. So what we're going to do now is put this in the fridge for at least half an hour. Cover with tea towel, and I'll see you then. Right, so next, 25 grams of butter into a pan. We're going to melt this butter. Let's add the currants. that's 200 grams. I've got another 100 grams to go. Give this a mix. Right, now the butter's melted, take it off the heat. We're going to slowly add our other ingredients and mix in ground mixed spice, ground cinnamon, ground mixed peel, 100 grams of muscovado sugar, zest, the juice from your squeezed orange. Now mix together until this is well combined. Right, this well combined, this is now going to cool whilst we get the dough out. Right, so at this point you're going to want to preheat your oven to gas mark 8 or 220 Celsius or 200 if you've got a fan oven. So next, flour your surface. Right, so with my dough's like that. It has solidified a bit, so I'm going to break a bit off. And right, let's try. Right, let's see if we can get this to work. Right, so get some flour on there, bump the camera. It does not want to roll. So with a round ring, you're going to want to. Oh yeah, that's brilliant. I've got enough for one. So this is about 13 centimetres. So right, let's take that, and we're going to put it on a tray, like so. Right, so with 4 of these, I'm now going to put a heaped teaspoon. Right, now I've got 4 of them. I'm going to show you what to do with that. So try and get a spoonful of your mixture. So it should be like a teaspoon worth. So probably a bit too much there. So let's put that in. Right, so with some water, we're going to seal it. So dab that around the edge. What we're then going to do is try and close this and seal it. So filling on, water around the edges, and then seal it. And realise this specific one has got very thick pastry. I can feel that is coming apart. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be round. Well, they are supposed to be round. But my ones aren't going to be round by the looks of it, so oh well. So after all that, I have finally got these done. That one looks like it's going to fail. That was the last of the dough. I think it's just been done for too long. Okay, so for the final ones, we just need to few holes, although saying that, that's already got a hole in it. And in the time it's taken me to mess about with this, my oven has preheated. Right, so this is going to go in 20 minutes. Be right back. Well, yeah, that's an utter failure, and I have no idea what on earth happened with that one. So we have. Ooh, it smells nice. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for these to cool, and we'll. Yeah. Some of them look like they should be okay. I don't know if I've overfilled these. Right, so let's give this a go. I'm going to Oh, okay, broke in half. Right, so let's try a bit with the pastry inside. So with the fruit exposed, that's very dry. It's very flaky pastry, very flaky. So yeah, where the pastry has actually covered the fruit, that's really nice. So where it's exploded, which possibly I might have put too much in, it's done really well. So yes, so they don't look brilliant, but yes, they've come out okay. So I still need to work on a few things with my pastries, i.e. how thick the pastries are. But yeah, give that a go and let me know how you get on.